Ladies and gentlemen, students, freshmen, the Trinity School class of 2012 proudly presents the moment you've all been waiting for, the 2011 Halloween Light Show.
There's a identical twin meeting. 1 110 ad hoc.
Smoothies.
For those of you that have not been following your very own TBS, this weekend we went to States, beat a tough Hackley team 3-1, took home that prize. For those of you that have been following TBS, shut up, don't ruin it for everybody else.
TVXC.
Hey guys, we have a Santa's Helpers meeting.
Yeah, everybody should be there. It's going to be a bake sale at Ackerman.
We're going to sound like
It should be great. Great,
Please.
guys.
Thank you.
Smoothies! Hey guys, there's a Sports Addict Society meeting today.
Hi guys, this is Justin. He's a sports addict in rehabilitation. If you think you have a problem or you want to know how not to watch Moneyball, please come to our meeting in the 1709 meeting day. Thank you.
There's an academic quiz bowl meeting today in room 110. Oh wait, there's a meeting there already!
Persian poet Rumi. You have way too much homework. Go back to sleep. You have 10 meetings at ad hoc. Go back to sleep. You have gone 3 days without eating anything except Pirate Booty and Red Bull. Go back to sleep. Here ends the reading.
I've been thinking a lot this year about communication. Communication is important. Now, those of you who heard me speak in middle school will probably remember a guy named Big Al. Big Al was this guy from my hometown. We called him Big Al because he was large and because his given name was too embarrassing to repeat. Now, Big Al and I worked a ton of jobs together when we were young. And let me tell you, those are the memories you never lose.
But I still have my bill.
Yeah, so, Mr. Hill, could you... Here's us working at the local power plant. That there in the far right is our buddy, Three-Legged Sam. We didn't call him that at the time, of course. Mr. Hill, next slide. Here's us working on the deck of a 19th century whaling ship. The health plan wasn't great, but the lifetime supply of whale jerky did almost make up for the scurvy we both got. Mr. Hill, you could? Oh, that was when we worked at the rare sea life aquarium. That guy at our pool is Jenkins. We all hated him. Big Al bet he couldn't swim across the parade pool. Big Al was right. This one guy tried to pull Jenkins out, but just as he reached down to pull Jenkins back to safety, Big Al tackled him to the ground. It's hilarious. Because Big Al knew that the fish weren't going to kill Jenkins. It would only make him stronger. Big Al was wrong, but that's another story. Mr. Hill, could you just skip the next few slides? Okay, stop. Of all the jobs we had together, the best by far had to be our time as canoe instructors. But first, we had to become experts at knot tying. And tying a knot is a lot like communication.
We're receiving word that President Ike Fryman is making a special announcement, which is very unusual.
Yes, I must say, Fryman has yet to make an announcement like this in his entire term. We're sending you to the Hall A Chapel now, where Fryman will deliver his words. As always, we'll be right here to cover all the action when he concludes his address.
I'm considering throwing this on the floor. Good morning. Since September 2001, a rogue criminal and his associates have carried out attacks that have struck fear into the hearts and backpacks of Trinity students school-wide. Last night, I received a new, highly classified intelligence report tracing the location of the so-called Trinity thief, the leader of the radical anti-homework group known as Almighty. Mastermind of the theft of dozens of dollars in the breakfast cart and thousands of articles of clothing. Satellite images traced him to a walled compound in our very midst, at the top of the yellow staircase. He was burning his garbage, so we basically knew he was a terrorist. I ordered a covert operation to take this man alive by any means necessary, and bring him before the Senate to stand trial. I am pleased to report that the mission was a success. The thief was apprehended while hiding in the photo lab, and I assure you that he and his accomplices will be brought to justice. We give thanks as a school to the brave men and women of Tiger Team 6, whose heroic actions led to this thief's capture. Yet while we celebrate their triumph, we must also remember how to grieve. We can never forget what the thief took from us. A week of breakfast cart, gone forever. Together we move on. Breakfast cart will return starting today. But in this time of celebration, we must never forget. Thank you. God bless you. Laborem virtute.
Wow. Unprecedented news. Usually when Fryman speaks, it's about the pending changes on TigerWeb or Tiger Rewards. I just received word that Midweek Update has gotten a leak of the press release that was supposed to come out in a week. I can't stress enough how great this is. Maybe for once we can get some legitimacy as a news source.
So now on to the report, and we'll try not to mess this one up. We've learned that Tiger Team 6 consists of David Argenzio, Sam Wickham, Charlene James, Alistair Glidden, and Lee Dai Liu. But wait, I can't believe this. It says here that they hired Alistair Suarez as a special agent.
Yes, this was by far the most dangerous part of the mission, as Suarez has been banned from entering Trinity's premises. Argentio snuck her into the school and using her false identification as her main alias, Steph Sua. A student in the class of 2013 tweeted this message, which apparently almost put the entire mission in jeopardy.
David Argentio issued the following statement after the thief was taken into custody. Quote, "I know that your teachers know more about history, science, or English, but there's one thing I can do better than all of them. I've got my PhD in the streets. And when it comes down to it, I can detain a criminal better than anyone else in the school. Dr. Argentio is always watching." Definitely some powerful words from Trinity's Director of Security.
We received this image from the 1709 room with the video feed of the capture. Clearly you can see the intensity of the standoff that was taking place, just 2 stories above our heads.
This momentous day has had a big impact on the community. I wish I could make some jokes about it, but I don't want to get the show canceled again.
Typically we'd have our political analyst, Peter Ronson, come out and try to explain this all, but he went off to college. However, I hypothesized that the school is probably going to be a safer place now that the thief is gone.
You can say that again. Thanks for your time, and have a newsworthy day.
Something. It's good. It's really good. People want to go on the internet and look at their homework. So why not build them a website that offers them that? I'm talking about taking the entire homework experience in class and putting it online.
You assigned 2,200 pages in 2 days?
22,000.
Wow.
We don't know what it can be. We don't know what it will be. We know that it is cool and it is. This is our thing. Hey, I need to tell you about capitalism.
You made TrinityHistory.org?
Yes, that's a load of catalog. What do you need to know? This is our...
A million assignments, not cool. That was cool. You? Admittedly, yes. A billion assignments.
You're going to get left behind. In many ways. It's going faster than I want to go back. Over ice caps.
You are being accused of breach of security, violating individual privacy.
Your school is suing you for $600 million. I didn't know that. Tell me more. If you were the inventors of Tiger Web, you would have invented Tiger Web.
This summer, Mr. Liu and Mr. Brinkley took 6 Trinity students on a 2-week trip to Legoland. At first, I was nervous to experience a culture so different from our own. However, I soon learned that despite our external differences, we are all so alike on the inside.
So while at Legoland, we got to visit many incredible places, such as Dino Island, Land of Adventures, and Funtown. I think I speak for all of us in saying that it truly was a life-changing experience. Each of us also had the opportunity to stay with the host family and learn about Lego culture. Firsthand, it was weird.
The food at Legoland was absolutely delicious. But they also made some really weird things there. I was brave enough to eat that red block right there. Though it did not go down or come back out very easily.
I think I speak on behalf of everyone who went when I say that the trip was truly life-changing. We experienced so many new things, and by the end of the trip, I think we really learned a little bit about ourselves.
Jim is essentially the ugly little brother of the upper Jim. I'm like, damn. TVS is playing for 300 years of history. 300 years! No, not that one, not that one. The reservoir is an evanescent bastion of... Here it is. I had a great time at Legoland and I drank a lot of milk.
We present to you the German word of the week.
Rindfleischen, Etikierungs-, Überwaschungsaufgaben, Übertragungsgesetz.
Means speed limit.
But officer, let me make something clear. I was not